Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to use the camera on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So let's just open up the camera app and you'll be greeted first of all by the camera. So let's go through each option and what they do. So in the photo mode, you can see right here, we have the flash. So this is either on, automatic or off. You have the timer. This just says how many seconds before the photo will be taken. The aspect ratio, so this will show in the preview. So currently it's set to 3:4. You can set this to 9:16, and then if you turn the camera to the other angle, 90 degrees, this is essentially 16:9 photos. This video is at 16:9 if you're wondering. 1:1, which is a square, and then 9:22, which is the full screen of the Z Flip 3. Really doesn't matter which one you use, it's what best works for you. Now we have motion photo. So this is essentially live photos on the iPhone. So I just take one. It will essentially record a couple of seconds of video. And yeah, so you have the regular photo and then you have the motion photo. This is essentially live photos on the iPhone. And yeah, it just takes a couple of seconds of video and allows you to view either or. I'm going to turn that off. And then we have filters. So you can choose whichever filter you want right here. You have my filters. So you can tap the plus to make your own filter. And then face filters if you want as well. Let's go back and let's move over to video. So in video, you can see this right here. This is super steady mode. So you can see it's like Bella optical image stabilization. However, you're going to notice it caps the quality at 1080p 30 fps. However, if you notice, look how stable that is. If I turn that off, yeah, you can see that. Now we have the quality options. So we can record Ultra HD 60. What on earth is that? Well, this is 4K. So Ultra HD, 4K, Full HD, 1080p. HD is 720p. So you can choose whichever option right here. The higher the quality, the better, but the more storage the video will take. You also do have filters as well for the video. And you of course have the flash if you want that on or off. You also do have the settings. I won't cover this, but this just gives you all the advanced settings which you want. Up to you if you want to mess around with that, but really the regular app should be good. Now we have portrait mode. So what this does is it will take an image and it will blur the background. So let's say this right here. See if that works. It's going to take the object and it's just going to blur the background. Really works best with a face. So I go to the front camera and then it's just, the bloody light right here is kind of blocking it, but you can't even see properly. But like, it will take my face and it will blur the background, right? If I go to the regular photo, the background isn't blurred. It was kind of a poor demonstration, but you do get the point. That is what it does. Then we have single take. You can see it does give you an example, but essentially what it does is it will take short videos and pictures for however long you want. So say 10 seconds right here. And yeah, you can change the top shot types at the top. I don't really see the point of it, but if you want to use it, you do you. Then you have more. These are just the extra options. So you do have night mode, which is essentially if you're in low light, it will help that out. Portrait video, which is a portrait mode photo, but on video. Pro video and pro photo, those are just for more advanced users. AR doodle, so this allows you to like draw on photos. Panorama allows you to take a really wide photo. Super slow-mo is just extreme slow motion. You can't record for very long though with a super slow motion. Then you have regular slow motion, hyperlapse, which is time lapse, and the director's view. So really, that's all you need to know when it comes to the camera app. And yeah, hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to smash like, subscribe if you're brand new. See you guys later. Bye bye.